Hey guys, this is Furry. Do you want to speak English like Tony Robbins? Powerful, confident, and full of energy? Then this video is for you. Tony Robbins is one of the most powerful speakers in the world. When he speaks, people don't just listen, they feel it. That's the difference. Now, the question is, what makes his English so powerful? Let's break it down in a simple and practical way. First, energy. Tony Robbins never speaks like this. Hello, how are you? No, he speaks with power. He says, how are you doing today? Can you feel the difference? Now you try. Say it with energy. Today is my day. Again, louder. Today is my day. Good. Second, simple words. Tony Robbins does not use difficult English. He uses very simple sentences, but he says them with power. For example, I can change my life. Very simple, but strong. Now you repeat. I can change my life. Again, with confidence. I can change my life. Great. Third, repetition. This is his secret weapon. He repeats important ideas again and again. Listen, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Why repetition? Because it builds belief and it makes your speaking more powerful. Now you try. I will succeed. Again, I will succeed. One more time, louder. I will succeed. Perfect. Fourth, emotion. Tony Robbins doesn't just speak, he feels every word. If the sentence is strong, his voice becomes strong. If the sentence is calm, his voice becomes calm. Example, I'm excited about my future. Say it like you really mean it. Your turn. I'm excited about my future. Good. Fifth, pauses. This is very important. Tony Robbins speaks and then he pauses. For example, I decided to change my life today. These pauses make your speech more powerful and clear. Now you try. I will improve my English every day. Excellent. Now let's understand his strategy. Tony Robbins focuses on connection, not perfection. He doesn't worry about grammar too much. He focuses on impact. He speaks to connect with people's emotions. That's why he is fluent. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally. Now, the big question, how can you speak like Tony Robbins? Here is your simple plan. Step 1, practice daily with energy. Don't speak softly, speak with power. Step 2, use simple sentences. Don't try to sound smart, try to sound clear. Step 3, use repetition. Repeat important lines again and again. Step 4, practice shadowing. Listen to powerful speakers and repeat after them. Step 5, record yourself. Listen, improve, repeat. Now let's do a final practice together. Repeat after me. I am confident. I am improving every day. I can speak English clearly. I can speak English with confidence. Say it again with full energy. I can speak English with confidence. That's it. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need confident English. This is Furry. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in